they have a table of 4, right?
See, for selfie mode, always just.
We'd never get there. I missed something? Oh, I'm so sorry. Still coming.
We also want
We're doing a show!
Oh, no, here we go.
TV land! Kevin the Rotar! Now to the self-portrait.
All right, BC, here we go, man. Home of the Titans.
Where are we?
Check this out, dude.
Look at me. Let me zoom in on your badge. Where is it?
It's every week probably, right?
Yeah, it'll tone down now. It'll go to, I think, to do once a month out of season. But yeah, and they just end it right here. Steve McNair is one of our quarterbacks. He's actually passed away now.
Where are they sitting now?
So that little opening under Nissan Stadium right there. There'll be one in this far left corner and one in this far right corner on this side. There's snipers right up there.
So right on top of the sign there, you got a sniper on each end of the field every game, right?
Any CMA, all that stuff. So if somebody like jumps onto the field and like looks like they have a gun or something, they snuck something in, they're done.
Interesting little tidbit there.
And so they.
You're getting ready to run out on the field, man. Think you could kick a field goal from right here, BC, through that?
You better believe I can.
Gotcha. Wow. Pretty darn cool, Jared.
Yeah, I don't. When kids come in here, they're like, "What does that mean?" I'm like, not sure. Can't remember." It's one.
Gotta go get them or something like that, right?
I'll get back to you on that one. TV show.
Oh yeah.
His wife's a country music artist. He's a good looking man.
Decker?
Yeah.
You said his wife's a country music artist?
Yeah.
What's her name?
Jesse James.
Jesse James?
Yeah, there's a girl, Jesse James.
Okay.
That's a cool image.
So this is Tennessee State's own locker room?
Yeah.
So the Titans do not use this?
No.
That's great. This is post-game conference room. Okay, this is where everybody is pissed because they lost.
hopefully happy.
Oh, this is a happy room for you guys.
Hopefully we won.
So we're here at the press conference, man, on our tour with Jared. Go ahead.
No, go ahead, man. I'll just bring it down here.
Getting our famous
Hear my
tour
short
here
ass.
from Jared Jones, man, at the Nissan Stadium here in Nashville, Tennessee. So can't thank you enough, buddy. We'll see this on YouTube, man.
Yeah, I appreciate all the work, buddy. Thanks for inviting me.
Thanks, Jared. Oh my God. It's like NASA's headquarters.
This
Holding this, or is this
That's
done
just
internally?
ours. Yeah. So we put the game not only on the television all around the stadium, our own internal feed. We also put it up, replays up on the board, whatever. So they're controlling the replay board, the big jumbotron, what angle you're getting for the live television feed. So Fox was here. They will park a truck down in the basement.
Yeah, that's probably rare seeing snow down there. Is it natural grass?
Yeah.
Hey, Jared, say hi to your mama.
Hey Marla, how you doing? Good to see ya. It's gotta be about right here.
So what do you do here, Jared?
I work in operations, in operations specifically, so
I'm a hard drop. Y'all want a booth or a table?
Booth.
Say hi. Say hi to YouTube. All right, here we go.
Booth.
So, okay, it's day 3 here at Imaging, man. Eating at Bob Evans for the 2nd day in a row. We're gonna go and check out some, maybe another drone class or 2. The first 2, we lasted about 10 minutes, I believe, and that's about it, man. We pretty much know it all. Laugh out loud. So we'll see you guys on the flip side later on in Imaging. Bye-bye now. Yo, guys, we finally made it. Day 3 or 2?
2.
Day 2? Okay, day 2.
Seems like 3.
I don't even know. I mean, I was in the trade show for about an hour and a half yesterday, but BC got to see the whole thing. I was giving away free
No, I
chances.
didn't make the whole thing.
You didn't make the whole thing?
No, I didn't make
So
the whole
we're gonna
thing.
do the whole trade show today, man.
Gonna give it a shot.
Yeah. No drones today.
There's a lot to see.
Lot to see, guys. We'll show you. See
I'm
you later.
impressed. Haven't been in a few years.
Peace
Very
out.
impressive.
Peace. So, okay, guys, we just found Michael Handline in his incredible White House custom color booth. So, how's it going?
So it's going pretty good, but you're supposed to have the logo in the background.
Oh, yeah. There we go.
Now you see
Right
the
there
logo.
we go.
See, it takes a group effort to do things like this.
You got it, man.
So now actually the show's going really, really well. There's a lot of, I was just telling BC, there's a lot of energy here this year. And that
Super.
energy
Really is.
And the energy hasn't been that abundant at this show for a handful of years. So I think the economy's good. I think there's a lot of good things on the show floor people are interested in. And it just seems really positive. And look, there's Michelle Celentano walking by, not paying any attention to any of it. So, okay, cool.
They're thinking, these nerds, man, over here, whatever. Okay, so Mike sounds like he's having fun. Yeah, keep that logo in there, right, BC? All right. So we'll check you out later. Have fun, and we love imaging, man.
How can you help not but smile when you're between these two guys? What the hell? All right, cool.
Check out. Okay, still day 3, man. Hey, say hey, BC.
Hey, BC.
Hey, we're right here in front of the famous Richard Sturtevant booth, man. There's the star, rock star, right there behind us, see?
Doing his thing.
Badass dude, man, when it comes to graphics, compositing, whatever. So, we're just getting started here, man. We'll see you guys here in a little bit. Bye. Okay, it's day 4.
Last
That'd be
day.
4. Freaking hungover. How about you?
No, I'm in good shape.
Drinking his decaf coffee, see that?
My weenie.
So we're in here in the show before they even let in people because I told them my camera was here to pick up and they let me in. So day 4 here at the Imaging. We're going to be leaving pretty soon until we get bought by my Maya.
How did you guys get in the show?
So we're getting ready to say some goodbyes, and we're gonna head on out of here. We're gonna head out in the snow, man. It's coming down like crazy. Say hi back there, BC. Hey, we'll see you guys. Peace out, man. Day 4, one more time, man. So we just got done at the trade show saying
Have I grown any?
Do what? Are you,
I'm
shrinking. We just got done at the trade show saying all our goodbyes to all our good friends. And I always rub my chin like this. I'm sorry, by the way. But we're going to go say bye to one more friend upstairs here real quick. And just thought I'd show you a little bit of this pretty cool place out here. We're doing this with the drone, by the way. Haha. Okay, guys, we'll see you after a while, man. We're going to hit the road. It's snowing. Hopefully we'll make it. See you, bye. Okay guys, we're back. This is the end of day 4. We're getting ready to head out in the snow today. It's like been snowing for a couple of hours or so.
Are you dreading it?
A little bit, yeah. Might let BC's drive a little while.
Careful. Yeah, I will. Be careful on these roads.
Did you have fun?
I had a blast.
Good? What'd you learn?
Too much to recall.
Too much to recall?
Yeah.
What about, let's see, you saw books? Any equipment you like?
Books was the big thing for me.
Books?
Yep.
Getting to see all our friends, that was the cool thing, right?
Yeah, absolutely. Friends
Guys,
I haven't seen in a long time, actually.
True, man. All kind. We could name names, but we'd be here for a while. So we better get going because we're gonna have a long ride home in the snow. So it's been fun bringing you Imaging USA 2018, guys. We'll see you next year.
Peace.
Peace.